Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing great. Welcome to my channel. If you are looking for a professional betting website developer, then you are in the right place. Today I'm going to talk about who I am, what type of betting sites I develop, and how you can contact me to start your own betting business. About me. My name is Mohammed Mizan, and I am a professional betting website developer with real experience in this field. I work with modern technology, secure systems, and user-friendly designs to build fully functional betting platforms for clients worldwide. My goal is simple: to help you start your own betting site with a strong, reliable, and profitable system. Betting Website Showcase. Background: show different betting websites on screen. I develop all types of betting websites, similar to popular platforms you already know. For example, 1x Bet Melbet Linebet, 1 Win Babu 88, PKOKMCW Jaya, 9FB77, CK444, BK33, Velki Jayabaji Jeet Buzz, and many more international and local betting sites. If you see these websites on the screen right now, this is exactly the same type of system and functionality I can develop for you. My betting websites include sports betting, live casino, slot games, aviator and crash games, mobile and desktop-friendly design, fast loading speed, secure admin panel, payment gateway integration. Whether you want a copy-based site, custom design, or fully branded betting platform, I can build it for you from start to finish. Why choose me? I focus on clean and professional design, stable and secure system, easy user management, long-term support. I don't just build websites, I help you build a real betting business. Your success is my priority. Contact information. If you want to create your own betting website or need more information, feel free to contact me directly. WhatsApp +8 801 603 137 862. Telegram @mbtechnology24. You can message me anytime to discuss your project, budget, and requirements. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video.